Hello and welcome back to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy to see you here today. Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about how to stay motivated. Motivation is the feeling that helps you do things. It helps you work, it helps you learn English, it helps you exercise. Staying motivated can be difficult. Sometimes we feel tired. Sometimes we want to stop. But today, I will tell you how to keep going. Before we start, I have a small favor to ask. Please click the subscribe button on our channel. When you subscribe, you help us make more free videos for you. You will not miss our future episodes about motivation and learning English. Thank you very much for subscribing. Now let us begin our lesson on how to stay motivated. First, you need to have a clear goal. A goal is something you want to achieve. It is the end of your journey. For example, your goal might be to speak English with a friend. Or maybe your goal is to get a new job. When you have a clear goal, you know why you are working. You must write your goal down on paper. Put the paper on your wall. Look at the paper every day. When you see your goal, you will remember why you started. If you do not have a goal, you might feel lost. You might not know what to do next. So, please take a moment today to think about your goal. Make it simple and clear. This is the first step to staying motivated. Second, you must break your big goal into small steps. A big goal can be scary. It looks very far away. For example, learning all of the English language is a very big goal. It takes a long time. If you only look at the big goal, you might feel sad. You might think it is too hard. So, you need small steps. A small step is easy. A small step takes only 1 day or 1 week. For example, a small step is learning 5 new words today. Another small step is listening to this podcast for 10 minutes. When you finish a small step, you feel good. You feel happy. This happiness gives you more motivation. You want to do the next small step. Third, you should create a routine. A routine is something you do every day at the same time. Routine is very powerful. When you have a routine, you do not need to think, you just do it. For example, you can decide to study English every morning at 8 o'clock. You wake up, you eat breakfast, and then you study. If you do this every day, it becomes a habit. A habit is hard to break. Even if you are tired, your body knows it is time to study. This helps you stay motivated because it is automatic. You do not need to use energy to decide. You just follow your plan. Try to make a simple routine for this week. Fourth, you must make your environment ready for success. Your environment is the place where you live and work. If your room is messy, your mind is messy. It is hard to focus. You should clean your desk. You should put away things you do not need. Also, remove distractions. A distraction is something that takes your attention away. The biggest distraction is your phone. When you want to work or study, put your phone in another room. Turn off the television. Make your room quiet. When your space is clean and quiet, it is easy to start. Starting is often the hardest part. A good environment helps you start quickly and stay motivated. Fifth, it is important to track your progress. Progress means moving forward. You need to see how far you have come. Sometimes we work hard every day, but we feel like we are not moving. This is not true. You are learning every day. You should write down what you do. You can use a notebook or a calendar. Every day that you study, put a mark on the calendar. When you see many marks, you feel proud. You can see a long chain of success. You do not want to break the chain. This visual record helps you stay motivated. It shows you that your hard work is real. Sixth, you need to be kind to yourself. Sometimes you will make mistakes. Sometimes you will miss a day. This is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone gets tired. Do not be angry with yourself. If you are angry, you will feel bad. You might want to stop completely. Instead, say kind words to yourself. Say, "It is okay. I will try again tomorrow." Being kind helps you stay positive. Motivation comes from positive feelings, not negative feelings. If you miss a day of study, just start again the next day. Do not give up. You are doing a good job. Remember that learning is a long journey with ups and downs. Seventh, you should find a way to make it fun. If something is boring, it is hard to do. If something is fun, you want to do it. You can make learning English fun. You do not only have to read grammar books. You can listen to music in English. You can watch a funny movie in English. You can play a game in English. Find things that you enjoy. When you enjoy the activity, you do not need a lot of willpower. You are motivated because you are happy. Ask yourself, what do I like to do? Then, try to do that thing in English. This is a great secret to staying motivated for a long time. 8. It is very helpful to find a partner or a friend. When you do something alone, it can be lonely. When you do it with a friend, it is better. You can help each other. If you feel tired, your friend can tell you to keep going. If your friend is tired, you can help them. You can practice speaking English together. You can share your goals. Knowing that someone is waiting for you gives you motivation. You do not want to disappoint your friend. You can look for a study partner online or in your city. Having a community makes the journey much easier and more interesting. 9th, you must take breaks. This sounds strange, but it is true. To stay motivated, you must rest. You cannot work all the time. If you work too much, you will burn out. Burnout is when you are very, very tired and cannot work anymore. You need to sleep well. You need to drink water. You need to go for a walk outside. When your body is strong, your mind is strong. When you come back to study after a break, you have new energy. You feel fresh. So, do not be afraid to stop for a little while. A short rest helps you go further in the long run. 10th, you should focus on the process, not just the result. The result is the final goal. The process is what you do every day. If you only think about the result, you might feel impatient. You want it now. But good things take time. Enjoy the learning. Enjoy the practice. Be happy that you are studying today. When you love the process, motivation is easy. You are not waiting for the future. You are happy in the present moment. This change in thinking is very powerful. It makes every day a good day. You become motivated by the act of doing, not just the prize at the end. 11th, you can use rewards to help you. A reward is a small gift you give yourself. When you finish a hard task, give yourself a treat. For example, if you study for 1 hour, you can eat a piece of chocolate. Or you can watch an episode of your favorite show. Or you can go to the park. The reward makes your brain happy. Your brain learns that studying leads to good things. Next time, your brain will want to study again to get the reward. This is a simple trick, but it works very well. Plan your rewards before you start your work. 12th, you should look for inspiration. Inspiration is something that gives you new ideas and energy. You can find inspiration in many places. You can read stories about successful people. You can watch videos about people who learned English. When you see that other people did it, you know you can do it too. You can listen to podcasts like this one. We are here to inspire you. Surround yourself with positive messages. When you feel low, look for something that lifts you up. Inspiration is fuel for your motivation. It keeps your fire burning bright. 13th, compare yourself only to yourself. Do not look at other people. Other people are different. They have different lives. They have different time. If you look at others, you might feel jealous. You might feel slow. This kills motivation. Instead, look at yourself yesterday. Are you better than yesterday? Did you learn one new word? If the answer is yes, you are winning. Your journey is unique. It is special to you. Focus on your own growth. Be proud of your own steps. This keeps your mind focused and healthy. It helps you stay on your own path. 14th, remember why you started. Sometimes we forget our why. Life gets busy. We get distracted. But your why is the most important thing. Why do you want to learn English? Is it for your family? Is it for travel? Is it for a better life? Close your eyes and think about your reason. Feel the emotion of your reason. Let that emotion fill you up. When the why is strong, the how is easy. Keep your reason close to your heart. Remind yourself of it every morning. It will pull you through the hard days. 15th, simply start. Just start. Do not wait for the perfect time. The perfect time does not exist. Do not wait until you feel ready. You will never feel 100% ready. Motivation often comes after you start, not before. When you take the first action, motivation follows. So, count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Open your book. Play the audio. Write the first word. Action creates motivation. Motion creates emotion. Be a person of action. Start small, but start today. This is the best way to stay motivated. Thank you for listening to this long episode on how to stay motivated. I hope these 15 points help you. Motivation is a skill. You can practice it every day. Remember to set goals, take small steps, and be kind to yourself. You are doing a great job learning English. We are very proud of you. Please do not forget to subscribe to the English Listening Lab channel. Click the bell icon so you know when we have a new video. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms to see more tips. Have a wonderful and motivated day.